This was No Flying Saucer.
Okay guys, this is a quick video just to demonstrate there is a plane right at the center of the coil, and that does reverse polarization from north to south. This is a coil, positive negative will render a north here, a south here, empty hollow core. Still it produces a magnetic field, and whatever we feel here, we sense outside. Inside is what's going to reflect on any ferromagnetic material we use as a core inside. Okay, now I have built this tool. It's a simple tool. It rotates. It'll be better if it has bearings so it doesn't get stuck on here, so it'll be more precise pointing out. But what I have done, it's colored. I'm gonna refresh in the color for the video. And this is north, the blue, and red, it's south. So it's a simple test, and the magnet is just attached to the steel plate. The little cross is made out of steel, so it sticks to it, and I don't have to glue it. Easy, simple. So once that I magnetize it with the DC power supply, and I'm putting it max 2.2 volt 3 amps, so it creates a pretty heavy magnetic field. We can see right there the way that it sits flat facing the south, the red facing it down, and then the blue, you see it on top. Same thing happens here. We put it here, we see flat, going flat down, horizontal to the center of it. Now back, and here comes back to north. So I'm going to start traveling this little tool here, and what happens is it start deflecting and aiming exactly towards the center of the coil, and we can do this 360 degrees around the hole. And if we come down, we see that it flips to seek the south point with the north magnet on the tool. So right here, center, it's pointing center. No matter how we do it, it always corrects exactly at the center, and then it flips back. We do it here, we have the same thing, and needles directs us exactly. See right there, you got a little stuck, and it goes in there. So, and another way to run it, it's like this. We have it right there. It's pointing towards the center of spatial point in there, which is the vortex of the magnet of the North Pole. And then I'm going to start running it down, and you can see there is a flip right there. It flips as we run it up. See, it flips. And again, the tool has to be kind of precise, so it does rotates fine. See, it does it pretty fast. So It is a plane. It doesn't mean it's a three-dimensional plane. It doesn't mean it's a flat 2D plane. It's a three-dimensional that it's exactly, and no matter how we build this coil as lengthwise or wide or whatever gauge we use, whatever type of coil you see out there, whenever you electrify it, it creates a center gravity three-dimensional plane, and from there it divides the north and the south poles. It's simple. It's two bubbles generated towards space, and those are our two polarity. And the flipping, it's right here. Right here. And if we go like that, it'll flip exactly at center point. Now, I'm going to do something real quick because don't want to make this video too long. What I'm going to do is just flip one of the magnets and put them all south. This way, there will be something similar to a monopole, and it'll be south on both ends of the cross piece. And why is this? Because I want to go inside this core and see, spatially is all a south pole, and the north is just the iron. The north poles, the two north poles, are dissipating, sinking their strength in the piece of steel. So the strongest point right here is south. So south, what is going to react here? It's going in here like this. It's going to be facing exactly flat because we got due south, but it's going to get aligned with the north. What this tool this way is going to do is whenever the north pole ends, this is going to flip because it's going to start seeking for the south pole and no longer the north. So we go inside. I'm going to put it in some perspective so you see when it flips, and you see it's going straight down, and we see right there start flipping, and the flipping is around the center of the coil. See, it flips right there. Got more light here. Flips, keeps going straight there, and as soon as it leaves, it starts flipping, and so it keeps going on down because it's already south down here after the center. So it comes back to north here, and as I go in, it becomes vertical. It's a 90-degree angle what it does. Okay guys, thanks for watching.